first sound is deep. Inhale. The second sound is away. Put to two together after this. Away. Starting with the O. Inhaling, breathe. Away. Same thing. Next one is shay, with the SH. Shay, shay, shay. Everything together. There's one more coming, but do that twice for now. The last one. Whole thing. Pause for a moment. Feel those vibrations and how they're working. Already you have a sense of what they're doing for you, for your connection, for your place on earth. And these words will come through to share what's going on. On the O, you're circling, you're calling your depths. You're calling the earth connection. You're calling the deeper parts to connect on the away as you bring it up. The away pulls this depth of connection up through you from bottom up. As you get into the Xie, this is a playful expression on the plane of now. This is a presence, this is a play. Xie, it's a swirling energy, it's a cycle, it's a experiential. And then the Au, you give it back. You're taking yourself straight into your beloved. You're taking yourself straight into the connection to that source which beats your heart. That source which is all of creation. So one more time, inhaling. Dedicate this next round to your source. I am here. Use me, live as me. Pausing now to receive. You created the call. Your heart is pure. Allow the glory of that power beyond power to be in you now. It's a relaxing feeling. It's an invigorating feeling to invite divine source in, to move you, through you, as you. The love of your heart amplifies this. You get to play in that love.